I had a Mastiff, and they unfortunately don't live very long. And towards the end, I used to have to carry him outside to go to the bathroom. I couldn't even walk. That's the real bummer, is that you just love these creatures so much, and they only live 10 years, 12 years, 13 years, you know?
Well, do you replace it?
No, you never replace it. You get another dog. You could always love other dogs. I don't think there's anything wrong. I don't think it's like disrespectful to your dog to get a new dog when they die.
It wants you to be happy.
Well, it doesn't have anything to do with it. It's dead. It's about you. Like this is needless suffering. Do you love dogs? Do you miss having a dog? Get another dog. Like this idea you have to mourn your dog for a specific period of time. Like it's not a wife. Like come on, man. Get another fucking dog.